Welcome back, financial enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the realm of smart investments with $10,000 at your disposal. From securing your financial safety net to exploring the dynamic world of stocks and even diving into the promising domain of real estate, you've got your roadmap to financial success covered. So buckle up as we unveil the top 10 ways to make the most of your $10,000 and pave the way to lasting financial stability. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the financial waters, this guide is designed to provide insightful and actionable advice for every wealth-building enthusiast out there. But before we dive into the wealth of information, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our valuable insights, tips, and success stories to guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Trust us, you won't want to miss out. Let's dive right in. Number 10. Building your emergency funds. Establishing an emergency fund is essential to achieving financial stability. Keeping 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses stashed aside might be a financial lifesaver in an unpredictable environment. Think of it as your financial safety net, shielding you from unanticipated medical expenses, job loss, or emergency house repairs. To make this happen, determine how much is needed. Make a budget in order to calculate the monthly savings. Configure transfers to happen automatically. Reduce needless spending. A high-yield savings account can help you earn as much interest as possible. Number 9. Paying off high-interest debts. High-interest loans, such as credit card and auto loans, can deplete funds and hinder saving and investment. To escape financial difficulties, it is crucial to pay off these loans first. Loans with higher interest rates than mortgages or student loans are considered high-interest debt. These loans, with rates ranging from 10% to 25%, are often the culprits. While it may not be the most exciting way to spend $10,000, it is the first step towards financial freedom. Once you have paid off high-interest debt and set up an emergency fund, you won't have to worry about financial catastrophes. Number 8. Invest in your retirement account. Retirement accounts, such as health savings accounts and Roth IRAs, offer tax advantages and financial security. Prioritizing these accounts after core finances is advised. Roth IRAs allow tax-free contributions and withdrawals post-retirement. The 2023 contribution cap is $6,500 for individuals under 50 and $7,500 for those over 50. Individuals must have an income of less than $153,000 for single tax filers and $228,000 for married couples filing jointly. With potential tax-free withdrawals, these accounts offer a tax-free future growth opportunity, providing a strong financial safety net. Number 7. Consider a high-yield savings account. Savings accounts with high yields are similar to a financial paradise. They're the best option for storing your emergency savings and other financial objectives. Not only do these accounts have more liquidity than many other investment options, but they are also safer. Their interest rate is what sets them apart. Compared to standard savings accounts, high-yield savings accounts provide a more alluring interest rate. They let you make more money without keeping it in a safe place for a long time. They do this by keeping one eye on growth and the other on safety. Since every little bit matters in the world of finance, these accounts make your money work harder for you and guarantee better interest rates. Number 6. Invest in CDs, certificate of deposits. Though they might sound like something out of the past, certificate of deposits, or CDs, are a tried-and-true method of protecting your money and earning steady returns. By purchasing CDs, you are effectively promising to pay a predetermined interest rate in exchange for keeping your money deposited for a predetermined amount of time. In comparison to traditional savings accounts, it offers better returns and is a reliable and secure investment alternative. But it's important to remember that CDs have their own set of guidelines. Compared to more dynamic investing options, they give lesser returns despite being relatively low risk. They may also be less liquid because you get to choose how long your money is locked in a CD. If you have to take your money out before the scheduled time, there can be a penalty. Nevertheless, for investors looking for safe and consistent earnings, CDs might be a dependable option. Number 5. Invest in bonds. In the realm of finance, bonds, often regarded as the less glamorous cousin of stocks, have a role. They are frequently used by businesses and governments to finance operations and projects that function something like IOUs between lenders and borrowers. Purchasing bonds entails lending money to the issuer, who will repay your principal plus interest until the bond's maturity date. Although they have lower returns than stocks, bonds are typically thought to be safer. Though they might sound like something out of the past, certificate of deposits, or CDs, are a tried-and-true method of protecting your money and earning steady returns. By purchasing CDs, you are effectively promising to pay a predetermined interest rate in exchange for keeping your money deposited for a predetermined amount of time. In comparison to traditional savings accounts, it offers better returns and is a reliable and secure investment alternative. But it's important to remember that CDs have their own set of guidelines. Compared to more dynamic investing options, they give lesser returns despite being relatively low risk. Number 4. Invest in stocks. Stocks are a mainstay of many investing portfolios since they are frequently linked to both potential wealth and excruciating volatility. Purchasing individual stocks amounts to purchasing a portion of a corporation, therefore granting you partial ownership. Stocks are the riskiest asset class in contrast to the previously covered investment options. The way a company performs and how investors view its prospects for growth might affect the value of your stocks. The possibility of large returns as businesses expand and increase earnings is one of the strongest arguments for stock investments. This expansion may result in higher share prices, which would make the investment worthwhile. Stocks also have the benefit of liquidity, which makes it simple to buy or sell them on stock exchanges. You can modify your investment plan in response to changing market conditions thanks to this flexibility. Still, there are two sides to the liquidity of equities. Since many investors have a tendency to buy high and sell low when they panic in response to market swings, emotional reactions might result in financial losses. Number 3. Invest in index funds or ETFs. Exchange-traded funds and index funds may be the best option for you if you want a more diversified strategy without the wild ride that comes with individual equities. You can invest in a variety of equities using these investment vehicles, which offers a degree of diversity that lowers risk. You can lessen your exposure to the risks connected with particular equities and possibly earn consistent long-term profits by distributing your investments among several firms. Number 2. Starting your own business. A special route to financial freedom and control over your financial path is provided by entrepreneurship. You can investigate a range of business ideas with $10,000, like starting an internet business, investing in a side project, or creating a small store. Entrepreneurship offers the flexibility of being your own boss, flexible schedules, and limitless earning possibilities, but it also needs hard work and devotion. Remember that there can be significant financial rewards if you're prepared to put in the work necessary to make your business successful. Give it some serious thought. Number 1. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is a potent way to grow wealth, and you can get started with $10,000. You can investigate options like house hacking or real estate investment trusts with a smaller initial outlay, even though traditional real estate may demand a more considerable investment. By using a house hacking technique, you can buy a property, typically with an FHA loan, and generate revenue by renting out a section of it while you reside there. As an alternative, you can invest in businesses that own and manage real estate that generates revenue by purchasing real estate investment trusts. They provide a way to invest in real estate without requiring a big initial outlay. Investing in real estate can yield several financial advantages, such as potential tax benefits, cash flow, depreciation, and appreciation. Real estate may diversify your investment portfolio and provide significant profits, whether you invest in physical properties or real estate investment trusts. We hope you found our guide to investing with $10,000 insightful and actionable. Remember, financial stability is within your reach, and you have the potential to turn your dreams into reality. If you enjoyed this investment journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights into managing your money and building wealth. Which investment option resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue this financial conversation. Whether you're building an emergency fund, paying off debts, or venturing into real estate, your financial journey is unique. Stay tuned for more practical tips, expert advice, and success stories to inspire your path to financial freedom.